Christmas came on the 26th, 'cause Rudolph drank all the Rumple Minze. The stockings were hung by the chimney we kept, with hope that St. Nicholas soon would be there. But when everyone woke, the children were crying, 'cause Rudy was too blacked out to be flying. How could this happen on Christmas Eve? Santa picked up the reins and couldn't believe that his red-nosed fearless leader lay passed out with a bottle in the back of the sleigh. So Christmas came on the 26th, 'cause Rudolph drank all the Rumple Minze. How could this happen on Christmas Eve? Santa picked up the reins and couldn't believe that his red-nosed fearless leader lay passed out with a bottle in the back of the sleigh. So Christmas came on the 26th. Christmas came on the 26th, 'cause Rudolph drank all the Rumple Minze.
Let's learn Rudolph Drank All the Rumple Minze. It is choreographed by myself, Michelle Wright. It is a 32 count 4-wall absolute beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. It goes to Rudolph Drank All the Rumple Minze by Timmy Brown. He is a local artist to me. He comes from Massachusetts, and I love to support local artists, so I hope you go check him out. It's a fun little song. I'm going to turn around and break down each section using steps and counts. We'll then do one whole wall with steps and counts. Then we'll end up doing a full rotation of the dance, or all 4 walls, alternating between steps and counts. So let's turn around and learn Rudolph Drank All the Rumple Minze. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a grapevine to the right with a brush and a rocking chair. So we're going to step our right foot to the side, left behind, right side. Now with the ball of your left foot, you're going to brush it. Then you're going to rock forward, recover, rock back, recover. Let's try that with some counts. Vining to the right, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to almost repeat that, but instead of a rocking chair, we're going to do right and left toe struts. So we're going to do a grapevine to the left, left side, right behind, left side, brush right, touch your right toe forward, drop your heel, touch your left toe forward, drop your heel. So let's try that with some counts. We're vining to the left, so you're going to go 1, 2, 3, brush 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is half the dance, okay? Section 3, you're going to step to the diagonal and you're going to do a heel toe walk-in. We're going to do that to the right and to the left. So you're going to step this right foot to the right diagonal. It's going to open your body to the diagonal. That is okay. You're going to take your left heel, swing it into your right, bring your left toe into your right, bring your left heel into your right. Now we're going to repeat that to the other side. So we're going to step our left foot to the left diagonal. This is going to open your body up to the other side. You're going to swivel that heel in, right heel, right toe, right heel. Let's try that with some counts. We're stepping to the diagonal. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you can stomp on those steps if you're somebody that likes to stomp. Section 4, in our final section, we're just going to do a bunch of step touches that make us turn a quarter turn to the left. So we're going to step our right foot to the right side and touch. Make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot forward and touch. Now you're at 9 o'clock. Step your right foot to the side and touch. Step your left foot to the side and touch. End of dance. Let's try that with some counts and then we'll put it all together. Stepping to the side, it's 1, 2, turn, 3, touch, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the end of the dance. So let's try one whole wall, one time with steps and one time with counts, and then we will go all the way around. All right, so we're starting with our weight on our left. We're doing Rudolph, drink all the Rumple Minze, starting with your vine to the right. Go right, side, behind, side, touch, and brush, rock forward and back, vine to the left with a brush and toe struts. Now stomp and walk that foot and stomp, heel, toe, heel, stomp, heel, toe, step right, right, touch left, turn left, touch right, right, touch left, left, touch right. And then you're ready to start the dance all over again by vining to the right. Let's try it with some counts. Vining to the right. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the end of the dance. So let's do a whole rotation of the dance. The great thing about this is you can do it to some non-Christmas music. I've done it to some Earth, Wind, and Fire songs, but you can do it to a variety of songs, not just during the Christmas time, even though it is choreographed to Christmas music. So let's do a whole rotation of the dance. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps, and on the side walls, I'm going to do counts. So we're vining to the right, it's side, behind, side, brush, rock forward, recover, rock back, recover, side, behind, side, brush, right toe strut, left toe strut. Now stomp the right, stomp left, heel, stomp left, right, heel, toe, side touch to the right, turn to the left, side touch. Now we're vining, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now vine, side, behind, side, brush, left rocking chair. Now vine to the left, right and left toe struts. Now stomp the right and walk your left, heel, toe, stomp left, walk right, heel, toe, side touch to the right, turn to the left, side touch. Now vine to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. You don't have to worry about anything extra. You can just dance it all the way through. The song is really fun. If you know what Rumple Minze is and all that kind of stuff, it's a very funny little country song. So I hope that you enjoy, and happy holidays.